Okay, we go home bro. Inabutan na kami ng ulan. So, pagpunta ko pala dito sa cashier kanina, I was thinking of paying by cash, but I went to the counter that only accepts card. So, buti na lang dala-dala ko yung card ng misis ko, no? So, wala masyado naging problema kanina. Anyway, so kailangan maging aware ulit ako next time na hindi na ako magkamali doon. Wet. Right, so we're off at last. The rain stopped. And bukas pa naman na kami ng mga payong para sana pag umulan, kaso wala naman na palang ulan. Ito yung isa sa pinakagustong gusto ko about Singapore. So connected lahat. Yung mga buildings nila. Let's go bro. Connected lahat, so you don't need an umbrella. So pwede kang pumunta from one side to other side, from one block to other block without using an umbrella. So okay na okay siya. Yan yung anak ko, excited na gumamit ng payong. Hindi niya talaga sinasara yung payong niya. Namakasulit yung ulan bro. Namakasulit yung ulan. Look at that. What's that? Medyo maglaro ng tubig. Oh! Get close, bro. Come here. Oh no! Can I see it? Oh no! Okay, nabasa po siya dun sa lumang sasakyan kanina. But that's fine. That's okay. Because what happened to you, bro?